Hello.
Yes. Let me start.
Yes, sir.
Yes, other point in your topic thermodynamics is a phase equilibria. What is phase equilibria? Do you have any idea about phase equilibria?
So phase equilibria is uh, when the two phases of let's say water H2, iron water and there are two different phases, but in equilibria, it's basically phase equilibria.
This one is phase equilibria. Yes. Yes. Solid liquid water is phase equilibria. Do you know what the rule of phase rule? Do you have any idea? Phase rule. F is equal to C minus P plus 2.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
F is equal to C minus P plus 2.
Okay.
Next chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction?
So chemical reaction is a reaction in which the uh, 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 interaction between the different molecules and their bonds and the internal energy of these molecules changes to form products.
Chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium.
Hmm. Equilibrium. So when the initial starting molecule are in the equilibrium, that's called chemical in a chemical reaction.
Yes, both thermodynamic system is beneficial and daily life use thermodynamics. Example.
So there are thermodynamics in daily life can still say, for example, in the combustion engines in cars, let's say, or the refrigerators or the ACs which we use, where they just transfer heat. It can also be as simple as, let's say, cooking in the process of cooking as well.
Yes, cooking potential is between yes, heating.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so many examples. Yeah, good. Only basic thermodynamics. Next we will discuss the whole details regarding your guess phase rule, day of freedom. Yes, next day we will
So
discuss.
degree of freedom is
Yes,
okay, fine, sir.
yes, carry degree of
Okay.
freedom.
Also, sir, degree of freedom is the number of ways the items in a molecule can move. For example, there's the translational, rotational, vibrational, and in a molecule there are three number of degree of freedom, where n refers to the number of atoms in the molecule.
Fluidity,
Sorry, sir.
fluidity.
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to recall.
Yes, total is thermodynamics. Next we will discuss
Yes.
the D section. Next point of next checking point is your fluid mechanics. What is application fluid mechanics?
So fluid mechanics refers to the study of flow of fluids. So it's used in cylinder pipes or let's say, uh, in of fluids from a container to another. Use Bernoulli's equation uh, to gauge pressure, velocity, and the height. E is equal to rho square by 2 plus rho g is constant.
Yes, it's not Bernoulli equation. Yes, application equation. But the Bernoulli
Uh,
fluid mechanics.
so Bernoulli's equation gets uh, the static and dynamic energy of fluid. It can be used to measure the velocity projected by the fluid. For example, it can be used in the venturi meter.
Next is non-Newtonian floods.
So, Newtonian physics, then there is the rate of deformation of the fluid is proportional to sorry, I'm calling.
Okay, now look at yes. Next is motion. What is motion?
So motion refers to the movement of an object from its stationary position.
What is friction? Friction. What is friction?
Friction refers to the resistance provided by the surface which is against the motion of the object.
Yes. What is velocity?
So velocity is the rate of displacement of an object. It's a quantity and it has a range.
Yes. Yes, what the use of flood gates and mechanical operations in family? The useful point.
So let's say in Kel Plus, we want to see we the process like in which we have to transfer the mass our solution. So the fluid mechanics can help in gauging and optimizing that process by applying fluid mechanics.
What the classification of solid particles? So
So solid is the so when the molecules are tightly closely packed, then
filtration. What is filtration?
the filtration is the technique from which in which we can separate the certain constituents from a solution. Uh, we can separate the impurities from a solution.
Yes, good point is right. But you look them. Yes, you have to con these. So yes,
Yes.
really basic. Next point number one is heat transfer. Heat and mass transfer. What is heat? Much more basic.
So heat is the amount of energy provided to the system.
What is the equation of heat energy? It is energy. What is energy first? What is energy?
Uh,
Capacity to move
okay. Okay.
energy. Next is what is the difference between conduction and convection?
Conduction is a process in which there is transfer of heat from a high temperature to low temperature. Between a certain medium is required between these two regions. In convection, sir, uh, the transfer of heat happens between a surface to a fluid, and there's no direct contact between two.
Yes, good. Next one, radiation.
So radiation is the electromagnetic emission of the energy from a
Condensation, evaporation, consume heat.
condensation is the process in which the liquid state gets transformed to a solid state, that's condensation. Whereas evaporation is the process in which a liquid is transitioned to vapors.
Yes. And what is the difference? What element?
So boiling point is the conversion of boiling point is the temperature at which the substance can converts into vapors,
Yes.
and melting point is the temperature at which the solid is converted into liquid.
Yes. Right. Next one is mass transfer. Mass transfer. What the basic equation? What is mass?
Mass is the uh, placement and positioning of certain mass of an object from one place to another.
What is Fick law? Fick law in mass transfer. What is Fick?
So,
Next one is Attribution and equation in mass transfer.
so I'll continue diffusion.
HTU and U concept in mass transfer. What is HTU and U?
I don't know. What is it?
HTU and U. HTU means the height of transfer unit. And U means number of transfer unit. That's used in mass transfer.
Okay.
Next one is RO. Reverse osmosis. What is RO? The main application.
Reverse osmosis is a technique which is used in filtration of water. In this process, the water uh, is passes from the membrane and to filter out the impurities.
Yes. Why is U in RO? Water. RO.
UV is used out to kill the microbes and the bacteria.
Yes. Yes. What the basic difference between simple water pH, liquid pH, and chemical and steam pH and farming water pH? What basic difference of each value? And surface water pH and ground water pH? Do you have any idea of each value?
Uh, So distilled water pH is 7. In groundwater, there is some acidification of water, so the pH should be less than 7. Uh, yes, that's it.
Surface water is acid, groundwater is acid.
Surface water is acidic because the runoff from the pollutants and
Yes, right.
yeah.
Groundwater is alkaline.
Groundwater is, yes, sir.
And fine water,
So because of the dissolution of fertilizers and like urea and phosphate, it's acidic.
yes. Yes, what difference between RO currently how used in any of societies, alkaline RO water, copper RO water? What difference?
So I'm not aware of it.
Next, what the main role of heat transfer mass transfer in your chemical engineering? This topic.
Uh, Sir, in chemistry, there is chemistry always involves chemical reactions of different products. So, and so this involves mass transfer and heat transfer to initiate and to form products. It's also used in chemical plants where large masses of starting products and heat transfer of heat provide to it to form desired product.
Good. Next, what the topic is chemical reactions. What is chemical reactions?
Chemical reaction is a process in which the reactants react and there's a reconfiguration of bonds and the internal of the bonds to form new products.
Yes, what is heterogeneous reactions?
Homogeneous reactions are the reactions in which the studying in the product are in the same phase, whereas the heterogeneous are in different phases.
What is rate of reaction in chemical analysis?
The rate is refers to the speed in which at which starting material is depleted to form and at what speed the products are formed. It depends on many factors such as the concentration of the starting material, or let's say what the catalyst is used, what is the activation energy barrier of the reaction.
Yes. What is catalyst? What is catalyst reactions?
So catalyst is the uh, catalyst is a substance which is used to speed the process of the reaction.
Is what role catalyst any reactions?
So the role of the catalyst is to reduce the activation energy barrier by providing intermediate pathway.
Michelson, case of Michelson, engineer catalyst, chemical kinetic.
So can you read that? What is?
Michelson equation, engine catalyst in chemical.
I've heard also.
Do you have any idea of topic?
Yes, sir.
Chemical reaction. Next topic is instrumentation. Instrumentation.
So instrumentation is the study of and application of various instruments to measure different entities such as let's say temperature, pressure. For temperature we use thermometers. For pressure we use manometers.
The term used in instrumentation, P and I equipment. What is P and I equipment symbol?
Yeah.
P
I'm
component,
aware of this.
P and I. What is control valve in instrumentation?
Control valves are let's say, are the outlets or the inlets within the system to have a control the conditions or to control the flow of the fluids within the system.
What the role of instrumentation in chemical engineering? Any point?
So this is it helps to measure thermodynamic entities, temperature, pressure. Second is it helps in carrying out chemical reactions. Let's say instruments such as burette or the pipette.
Yes, good. Next one is plant design and economics. Yes, describe the whole study plant design and chemical engineering, the basic principle, estimation, and plant all this.
The plant design,
How to prepare, how to make.
plant design is used to basically optimize resources and reduce the cost of the plant. Uh, it ensures optimum resource allocation, uh, and it ensures that there is uh, and it shows that the processes are according to the scale of the business, like what is the requirement of the plant and what should be the structure and the machinery required.
Good. Next one, chemical technology. What is chemical technology?
So chemical technology is using the basic chemical principles of the chemistry and applying it uh, to innovate and create different and innovative technologies.
Is what the formula of sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid?
Uh, Sulfuric acid, H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid, H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid.
Yes. What is fertilizer? Fertilizer. How many types of fertilizer?
Fertilizer is a chemical compound which is used in farming to improve the productivity of the crops. It provides necessary nutrients for the crops. Different other fertilizers are there's NPK fertilizer, there is urea based fertilizer.
Ammonia, urea,
Yes,
SSPC. FL also produces self-created fertilizer in Kisan. Are using fertilizer. Making a name NFL. What the fertilizer? What are the uses of fertilizer in farming industry?
so it is used to improve the overall productivity of the crop.
Next, natural product. What is natural product?
Natural product, I think which is well in the nature.
Gas, oil, fats. What is difference? Sugar, oil, fats.
So these are all artificial products.
Yes, I guess it. Basic difference. These one terms usually top technology.
Yes.
What is petroleum and water? What is the difference in petrol and diesel?
So, uh, so as compared to petrol, diesel have longer chain of carbohydrates. Carbon chain.
Yes. What is chemical?
I think is the first chemical which is extracted from the fossil fuels.
Yes. Next one, your last one topic in chemical technology, polymer. What is polymer?
Polymer is a long chain of a certain substituent. There are very, for example, let's say polyethylene. So there is a repeating unit of ethylene. Uh, let's say also there is another example, Teflon is also a polymer.
Last is point, what the difference between natural and synthetic?
So natural polymers are available, are readily available in nature. For example, the root, the rubber which can be the latex which can be from the plant. Then the natural polymer and artificial, for example, this polyethylene and Teflon which is synthesized in a lab.
Yeah, how many type of polymer? Any four type polymer? Natural, synthetic, and other one?
And,
Addition, condensation.
look into these.
Yes. Next, polyethylene. Polymer.
Yeah, these are so that's synthetic process, synthetic word.
PVC, vinyl chloride.
Vinyl chloride. So vinyl chloride is taken and uh, breaking the bond and making a free radical. This can be act as an initiator as well as create a polyvinyl chloride.
Yes, for the useful and beneficial point of all polymer. Topping out 75 10.
Polymer has a wide variety of applications. It can be used as insulators. It can be used in it can be used for coating. It can be used to have thermal resistance or electrical resistance. Uh,
Yes, looking page
and it has hydrophobic properties.
yes, electronics, health, sports, construction, so many different kind of polymer. And limited drawback, advantage of polymer.
So in polymer, the chain reaction is at times difficult to control. So that's one negative point. And also, these synthetic polymers are non-degradable, so it's very difficult to uh, degrade them in the earth. That's it.
Yes, environmental impact on biodegradable polymers. Some weak point or series, chemical technology, them, chemical technology, and your instrumentation topic. Other one is blood games. Other is from your side. You know, two only basic sections. Yes, the thermal first one is two only basic. Second blood mix your good. Yes, here master. Yes, master also your side. No, look there. You have to work.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is. Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes. Next we will discuss. And same topic, same technical section. Yes,
Right.
whole 8 topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.